Earlier, we learned about the root of the verb, the simple form used as the command. Brain room. Speak to me. Cuiridh dh'fhàsas. Put on your shoes. Foscail doras. Open the door. For the plural or polite command, we add oirbh to the root, similar to the plural pronoun siv. So, bríneamh dh'fhàsas. Speak to each other. Cuiridh oirbh brògan. Foscail leòr. Look out though for some two-syllable verbs that shorten when adding the plural oirbh. It's not too noticeable in bríneamh, but you can hear it clearly in foscail instead of foscail. Foscail leòr. And it's very obvious with the verb éiridh. Get up, rise up, where we completely drop the ich and simply say oirbh, dh'fhàsas. Similarly, the command Fizzy is often reduced in the plural from fuiridh to fuiridh. Fuiridh for a bhilsibh. All of you stay where you are. Fuiridh for a bhilsibh.